What's up everybody, this is just a quick look at the Corgeut 2029. I think Corgeut always put the same model number for most of their products in AliExpress. I've noticed that they only add like a -3, -2 or something like that. So this one is a 2029. It kind of looks like it was based off that Tudor Black Bay 39. So this one is a 39mm automatic watch. So let's get on to the specs. I'll have my trusty caliper over here just to get some dimensions for us. So you can see there it's around 39, so it's a real 39mm. You have a gray colored dial with a date window on the 3 o'clock. Lug to lug, let's have a look. It's about 52.8 at the lug to lug. So if you have a shorter wrist, I would suggest to get their 36mm instead of this 39. Bracelet, have a look. So around 19mm. It tapers down to about 15.4.6, and you can see we have here our oyster bracelet. I'll zoom in a little bit so you guys can see. So it's well brushed. You can see the case is polished. It's very nice polish actually. It's not that bad to look at. So polish here, there, the sides, sterile crown. There's no logo in there. You can see the polish size as well, so little details in there. And the brushed oyster bracelet. The clasp is, you know, your usual Rolex style bracelet, and it's the polished clasp here as well. Hopefully you can see that. There it is, and you have, you know, double lock. So there. I'm not gonna say that much, guys. Just letting you see the quality of what you can get for your money here for a Corgeut. Most of the Corgeuts I've seen, at least online, it's a direct copy from, you know, watches, big brand watches. So, and then I think they allow you to customize the logo to your liking. So I've actually found out that they can do a separate logo for you if you give them, you know, the design of the logo that you want, and they can place it on the crown, and then they could place it as well here, and then they could place it on the clasp as well, which is really cool. So if you don't want any kind of logo like this, or the Corgeut logo for example, or if you like designing your own watch or something like that, and just basically like this kind of design, then you can contact Corgeut. I think it's the Corgeut factory shop in AliExpress that allows this. So basically when you order, you to choose the item that you like, or 36 or 39mm watch, and then basically you upload I think it's a JPEG image of the logo that you want, and then you have to contact the seller to make sure they can change it for you. And the seller is very responsive. I've ordered a lot of watches from them already, so I could attest to that. And at some point I actually asked them to change the clasp, which they did actually, and then some of them as well I've actually asked that they could, make it an open case back. So they actually were very kind enough to do that as well. Or you can request as well to have like a sterile case back if you prefer that instead of this one, this exhibition case back. All right, let's continue to the review. And so you also have some adjustments here. So this is an on-the-fly adjustment clasp. So like I said, I actually asked the seller if they can do this for me, so they were kind enough to say, yeah, sure, we'll do the on-the-fly adjustment, so which they did. and I actually asked them as well if, because I'm trying to order a new one, and I really like the Jubilee bracelet, and they said, okay, just message us when you order the item and then we'll replace it for you, which is kind of cool, right? So the kudos to Corgeut for doing that. Not all brands do that, to be honest, so I think only Corgeut does that. I'm not sure if you know any other brands in AliExpress that does that, just let me know, guys, so I can also reach out to them and check out their items and order from them as well, so I could take it on a review. And here you are, we have an exhibition case back for this one. This movement already. This is the Miyota 8215, which is a very robust and reliable movement. I've had a lot of experience with Miyota, so I know how to operate them, and they're quite reliable, and have a lot of watches that have this movement. So I'll do some close-up videos for you guys so you can see what's inside. But this is a really reliable movement, so you can't go wrong with the Miyota. If you kind of like this design and the snowflake hand, for example, I find that a lot of watches, they always use the Mercedes hand. So when I saw this one, you know what, I feel like I want to have a different watch that has like a snowflake one, so I chose this. And this is a 39, so it's a little bit bigger. I'm gonna try this on my wrist so you guys get to see how it looks like on the wrist. It's okay, but you can see if you have a smaller wrist, so I have a 6.5 inch wrist. If you have a smaller wrist, then you might have to consider the 36. I'm planning to get a 36 version of this one, but not the gray, the gray version, or probably a different version altogether. But a 36 would really fit nicely for someone like me who has a smaller wrist. Here are more wrist shots for you guys who are considering to get one of these in AliExpress. Let's just give some context what it looks like when the light passes through it, at least the natural light, so you can see what it looks like in different angles, hopefully. So alright everybody, thank you. If you kind of like these kinds of reviews, do give me a thumbs up and like and subscribe on the channel, and I really do appreciate you guys subscribing and supporting the channel so I could get you more watch reviews on YouTube if it's helpful for you. Thanks everybody, have a great day, bye.